Today we are going to install the new Turn Offroad Jeep JT Gladiator rear corner guards with frame mount system. These guards fits the Jeep Gladiator JT 2020 through 2025 models. Installation time is around 30 minutes. Can easily be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by removing these two factory 16mm bolts and set them aside. Next, grab the corner guard mount and hold it up in place. Then, reinstall the 16mm factory hardware with the supplied large washers, threading them in by hand. Do not tighten down at this time as you will need to make adjustments. Now, set in place the three supplied 18mm bolts in the outer mounting location, as you see here. Next, grab the corner guard and slide it into place. Then, as you hold it in place with one hand, thread on the backing hardware, align the guard with your bodywork, and tighten them down. Now, with that done, align the vertical placement of the guard, and tighten down the inner 16mm bolts. Next, remove the two 18mm bumper mount bolts, and set the bottom frame support bracket in place, reinsert the bolts, and tighten them down. Then, insert the supplied third 18mm bolt, backing hardware, and tighten it down. Make sure all has been tightened where you want it, and repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad JT corner guard install. if you have any questions during your product installation. Don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.